So this is Cape Bedford, and I've been going for just under 3 hours, so I'm right on target. Well, it's now almost midday. Cape Flattery's about 5-6 miles ahead of me, and out here is 1 mile away from me is Low Wooded Island. And I go around to the east, and then there's Three Island, which is about 2 miles away from me. Looking to the west, there's all the sand hills with a white sand. Apparently on the other side of Cape Flattery they mine the sand. Well, it's 1 PM and I'm looking at Cape Flattery, so I'm right on time. And there's a wharf, it's what they call an open roadstead wharf, fully open to the southeast winds, and ships go in there to load the sand. Here we are on second day, 10 AM Friday. Beautiful and sunny, warm, hardly any breeze, so I've got the motor going. The jib is up, not doing much. And there's nothing around me. There's reef 3-4 mile in that direction somewhere. And as we head around to the west, there's land way in the distance. Had a very rough night, 2 AM to about 5 AM, going past the Cape, 30 knots, constant, quite rough, but we handle it fine. So it's now 1:30 Friday. It's winds come in 15 to 30. Hang on. So I've come over on the reef side where it's a lot calmer. The autopilot shut itself, so too much wind for it. Yes, so it's good sailing. I'm between two reefs, so it's a little bit rough, but when you're beside a reef it's flat calm. Well, it's about 5:30 on the Friday, and the wind's still 20 to 30 knots. I'm way out between the reefs, so it's quite rocky. But I've only got 3/4 of the jib out, and I'm doing anywhere between 5.5 and 7.1 knots. And it's just too rocky for the autopilot to work, so I'm having to steer myself. Not sure how long I can do it for. Well, this is Lockhart River. There's about a 50-metre wide channel which I'm in the middle of, and it goes up somewhere to those yachts up there, which I'll go up this afternoon. But it's very wide open. Southeast breeze comes through, safe enough. As I head round to the northeast, I'm guessing, which is the open area, but you can't go out straight out there. You've got to go right around there somewhere and then out. Looks like a very white beach over there. it is Aboriginal land, so apparently you're not allowed to land without permission. Maybe no one would know if you landed and went for a run.